Today, we're talking about Murda drones. Yeah, I said Murda drones. Now, I know that Stick Talk, we usually talk about stuff people done did, situations that you can get into, and that's what Stick Talk is really about. This is to start a conversation about everyday situations on what we would have did different, or what are some ways to avoid getting into the situation altogether. But here lately, I've been looking at a lot of these combat footage from Ukraine and Russia and from Israel and all the stuff that's been going on here lately. And I've noticed that the scariest thing on the battlefield is freaking drones. Now I'm not talking about the big global hawk drones or the stealth drones that you see that they done spend billions of dollars for. I'm talking about like the little $500 drones you can buy yourself that they're using on the battlefield to drop bombs on people. Let's look at the video and you see for yourself. You tell me, am I wrong? All right, we're going to start out with these soldiers here in the field. All right. They have no idea that this drone is over them. They can't hear the drone. Who knows if there's, bombs going off somewhere else, or you hear machine gun fire or whatever, whatever it is, they can't hear it and they obviously don't see it. So Mr. Drone Operator is looking at them. He see them good. So he see old boy crawling right there. So he's like, okay, got something for you. Boom. All right. So not going to show anybody getting blown up, YouTube operator. We're not going to show that. But you get the gist of what just happened. We're not going to show anybody getting dispatched. But boom, he did not even see the bomb coming. All right, so first guy, bomb got dropped on him. Now, all his homeboys know is that a bomb just got dropped. So they start moving kind of fast, and they don't see where it's coming from. So another bomb just got dropped. All right, so there's another bomb drop. So it's like, that just a little $300 drone just taking guys out, dropping bombs on them. Now, think about the fact that this drone only costs about $300. I've seen them, a lot of them even use the little DJI drones or drones you can buy at Best Buy. They have a whole bunch of them. They just hooked it up little servos and everything so they can drop stuff. So here's another one where we have a drone flying up on a tank. Now, who knows how much this tank costs, but this is a drone, and the tank's in there trying to let some air in. It's hot in the tank. So the guy just creeps the drone up, and boom, drop the drone in the tank. Blow the tank up. You know what I'm saying? Just completely, a little bitty drone just flew in on some guys because it was hot. They sitting with the hatch open, trying to let some air in the tank. Now it's a whole lot hotter up in the tank. A whole lot hotter up in the tank. Yeah. With a little cheap drone. And here's another one looking at what the other one did. All right, so now we've seen the drone just hover over guys in the field, drop bombs. We've seen it come in, take out an entire tank. So now we got a battle position where we have soldiers sitting, they think that nobody can see them. They think they're covered from above. They think they're good. They're chilling, and you can see the guys walking in and out. And this is another drone looking. So now we got the Murda drone coming in. That was the observation drone. Now we got the Murda drone coming up. And as you see, the Murda drone's flying in, and I'll stop it right there. You can see old boy's knees. You can see the gun. You can see all that. Murda drone incoming. Nobody even saw it coming. All right, So now we're sitting in the observation drone looking down. We finna watch the murder drone come in on the bottom left of the screen. You'll see the murder drone fly on in. There you go. Boom. Murder drone flies right in. Murder drones. Like I said, scariest thing on the battlefield. Murder drones. You have no idea where they're coming from. You can't hear them. And all it is boom. It's too late. Now I want to show you that they don't just use them on people. So we here with the observation drone. And it's like, what? Russian flag? So here come the murder drone. Coming in towards the flag. Take out flags too. Murder drone on everything. Blow everything up with the murder drone, man. Whoo, flag pieces everywhere. It's like there's no peace in this. You can't, you have to always be looking for something to fall in or something coming from the sky, or you have no idea because you can't hear them. Like buddy right here, he just walking down and, you know, minding his own business, and boom, hand grenade dropped. Like I said, YouTube, I'm not finna show the people getting blown up, but hand grenade just dropped on him. You know what I'm saying? It's like, dang, you just walking. You know, he saw there wasn't no tanks nowhere, saw it wasn't nobody shooting, saw it, you know, wasn't no airplanes around. Next thing you know, you blow up. Murder drones. Now, I'm not going to act like all these are accurate, because, like, boom, he missed right there. You know, and everybody got down because they heard it. And, like, here again, they missed. Boom, way off, missed. Everybody jumped down because they heard them coming. Here's another one where they missed. Now, it's like they miss a lot. They miss a whole lot. They didn't miss on that one, so we gonna skip that one. Now, here's a one where they even painted the damn bomb pink. They dropped the pink bomb with blue tassels on them. Yeah, and that one did not miss either. So we not finna show this one blowing up. But I mean, these guys are just sitting here chilling. They think they good. They don't hear the drone. They don't see the drone. They don't see none of that. And then next thing you know, you blowing up. Like I said, murder drones. Murder drones. That's absolutely terrifying. In my opinion. Absolutely terrifying. All right, so that was just, you know, just some of the things I've been noticing as I'm looking at this stuff going on on the other side of the world. And, you know, just be mindful that we are blessed to have two oceans separating us from the foolishness, you know, but we got to realize that, you know, we also have to make sure that we're aware and we're able to protect our family. You know, I just want to put that out there. But murder drones, death from above, like I said, death from above. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe, and, you know, tune in for the customizations of lots of weapons here. And also, like I said, I'm bringing stick talk back, and we'll get back to the normal stick talk here pretty soon. But I just had to talk about the murder drones because, you know, boy, I tell you, Johnny Snow up out of here.